F-R-O-M. From. F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M spells from. F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M spells from. From here I am walking there. 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 F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M spells from. F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M spells from. From here I am hopping there. 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 F-R-O-M. From.
Any, A-N-Y-N-E.
Any. Do you see any colors? Red, white, blue. Do you hear any sounds? Do you feel any textures? Rough and smooth. Do you taste any flavors? Do you smell any odors? Ew. Any. 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 Any.
Any, A-N-Y-N-E.
H-O-W. How. How is written, H-O-W. How is written, H-O-W. How is written, H-O-W. How is written, H-O-W. How. How.
How, H-O-W, how. Let's think about the word no. You've already learned N-O means no. No, thank you, I don't want a cookie. No, I think I will try this instead. N-O means the opposite of yes. No, I don't want to do that. Today we will be learning a different no. No, like what's in your brain? I know that. K-N-O-W spells no. I know my name. K-N-O-W spells no. I know how to do that. K-N-O-W spells no. Now I know what I would like to eat for lunch. K-N-O-W spells no.